Welcome back, everybody. This is Vinny Armbar. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on ridge vent. You have every one of these cap shingles has a nail on it. So if you come into a situation like this where you have to replace this shingle that goes underneath the cap, it goes all the way up underneath there. I'm going to have to remove the nails, which are longer than your standard roofing nail, to go through the ridge vent and the actual cap and then into the roof to secure the ridge vent. So using the bar, using the original Armbar, which I held upside down, but whatever, I'm not going to try to attack it right here at the shingle, because that'll rip, that 90% of the time will rip that. I'm going to use the wedge tip to cut the glue tab underneath them and free them up at least halfway, unless I'm taking the whole thing out. But I'm trying not to remove every single one of these. I'm just trying to replace the shingles below it, so I don't need to replace the whole ridge vent. So I'll take that little chisel edge and slowly lift it, cut it. And I'm going to start where that last nail is. There's going to be a nail right here. There's going to be a nail right here underneath there. Let's see if we can see it. We can see it. I can't really see it. It's way under there. So what I'm going to do is take my bar and go underneath. I'm going to shoot for this one first. So let me unzip this a little bit. Open it up. Just give you a little bit of working room so you're not ripping your shingles. And get under there, and then take it and turn it like your arm wrestling almost, and you can see that start to raise up just a little bit. And you want to take your time. You don't want to be ripping shingles off. And I can move on to the next one. And what I'm going to try to do is loosen the entire length of the shingle that I want to replace. But I just work it back and forth, and it slowly eases that nail out. And then you can see it coming up. Once I'm up to a comfortable place, I usually give it a tap down like that, and then try to get underneath it. Now I'm under the actual ridge vent there. And they're just plastic ridge vents. They're not super tough, but they work. I don't know if I can get this shot. Probably won't be able to. But there's the nail head. And I can just use the tip, kind of work it down a little bit, get back under there, put it inside the key slot, inside my nail slot. And then once it's up, I come in and I grab it with the back tooth and lift it right out. Nice and easy. And I can reuse that nail. Boom. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.